3, 2, 1.
Hey everyone, I'm Daniel. Tonight we are going to be doing an unboxing of the new Apple iPhone leather wallet in California Poppy and Baltic Blue. I thought that this would be quite a nice unboxing to do because then we will be able to install it on either the Pacific Blue iPhone leather case or the California Poppy iPhone 12 Pro Max leather case. So then we'll be able to see and compare better to go with the matching iPhone leather wallet or have a contrasting iPhone leather wallet to the leather case. Let's get started! Okay, so first of all, I am going to install and unbox the iPhone leather wallet in Baltic Blue. Here we go. You may notice that our lighting is extremely professional tonight because we just unboxed on a previous video the Elgato Key Light Air. So that's why my skin tone is very fuyo, as Uncle Roger would say. So let's keep on going with the iPhone leather wallet in Baltic Blue unboxing. Okay, so we basically take it out of there, and then we take it out of here. We can see it's a premium leather. Basically, there's just a little slidey card here that you slide up. This is supposed to simulate a credit card or something like that. And then boom, world's simplest unboxing. And then I can go. You can't really see it on the Pacific Blue iPhone because it is stealth mode, but California Poppy, I think it's actually quite a nice contrast. Now, what else do we get in the box? We get a little cardboard sleeve and a... that's interesting. This instruction manual says that it may cause medical device interference. iPhone in this case contain magnets that may interfere with medical devices. See important safety information in the iPhone user guide at support.apple.com/guide/iPhone. Fortunately, I do not have a pacemaker, so I'm good to go. Which do you think looks better? Matching with the Baltic Blue or with the contrast of the California Poppy? Now, something to note about this is that the wallet is a MagSafe wallet, but I don't believe that you can actually charge magnetically with the MagSafe wallet attached. So if you're charging this at night next to your bed via a MagSafe charger, then you're probably better to remove this before charging. So then the MagSafe charger will just connect onto here and will charge your phone while you're sleeping. So something that's very nice about this MagSafe wallet is that it is RF shielded. Basically, since credit cards were created, they are sort of magnetically encoded. So this iPhone leather wallet is actually magnetically shielded in this rear panel. So you can actually feel it's actually quite solid. So there is definitely something that's going to be magnetically shielding to protect your cards or credit cards, whatever cards you can slide into this. So I believe that the thickness of this is you can fit about 2 or 3 cards in here. So that's perfect for a night on the town if you just want to take your driver's license and like a credit card and a debit card or a hotel room key if you're traveling. Next up, we are going to unbox the iPhone leather wallet in California Poppy. Here we go. We're just going to remove this little pretend card out of here, and then here we go. I'm going to have a little bit of contrast, and then there we go. Contrasting California Poppy iPhone leather wallet with the iPhone 12 Pro Max leather case in Pacific Blue. I actually quite like that, and I think it's quite a nice color combination because if it's a darker and it just matches, then if it falls off or something, or falls out of your pocket, then you're going to be more likely to see it if it's like a bright color. And it's actually a very nice color contrast. Here is the iPhone leather wallet in California Poppy attached to the iPhone 12 Pro Max leather wallet in California Poppy too. Which do you think looks better? Comment in the comments below if you think it looks better matching or with a contrast, like so. So we can see how many cards fit in there. So that seems to fit 3 cards pretty easy, and then you slide them out like that. So yeah, you can fit 3 cards pretty easily. Let's see if we can fit 4 cards. Okay, 4 cards is sort of getting a little bit tight. Yeah, I think 3 cards is kind of the maximum. So here I have 6 business cards. So 6 business cards works pretty well. this is probably something that I would use because I always find it really annoying when I go out to like a function at night. I have to try and give business cards to people. As I said before, if you're going to go out for a night on the town, then generally you would take 2 to 3 cards. So you would take a credit card, a debit card, and maybe a driver's license. So this is perfect for going out clubbing or something, or going out to a restaurant and you just can't be bothered taking like a man bag or like a purse or something like that, because it's kind of a hassle having to carry cash. It's just so much easier just to like pay wave it or Apple Pay or just tap and go. The cost of this iPhone leather wallet was 89 Australian dollars. So I think that's approximately 59 US dollars, which is not unreasonable, but it's maybe just a little bit more than it's probably worth. But I must say that leather is actually very high quality and it matches and fits on perfectly. Something that's very good that I just noticed is that when you attach it to your phone, then it plays a tune. When it disconnects from that, it also plays a tune. See, so that's sort of a warning signal. If it's in your pocket and it slides off, then it will vibrate as well. So that is quite an interesting little safety feature that Apple has thought about when they designed this, so that if it does slide off in your pocket, then it will give you like a vibration of the phone, a haptic feedback of the wallet, and it will also play an auditory sound. So it's like warning, warning, this has come loose. So something I'm just going to test now is whether this will actually charge through leather wallet. I'm going to have some cards in here. Now I have a sneaking suspicion that it's not pass-through charging. So basically if you have the MagSafe wallet attached with some cards in it, so here we have the MagSafe charger plugged into a 20-watt Apple USB-C charging thing. Nothing. But if I pull it off, it tells you that you've connected to an official MagSafe charging accessory. Unfortunately, if you want to charge your phone magnetically using MagSafe, then you need to actually remove the iPhone leather wallet. But there is nothing stopping you from charging old school with a lightning cable while the MagSafe wallet is attached. So yeah, you can still charge it, and you'll probably charge it significantly faster by charging with a wire as opposed to charging via the MagSafe charger, because this is a maximum of 15 watts while you can get up to maximum speed of about 20 watts by charging via a wired cable, just depending on which USB-C plug you are plugged into. That brings us to the end of another video, so don't forget to smash that like button, click the subscribe button, and ring the bell for the notifications for future content from the Daniel and Yuka channel. See you next time, bye!